Hey folks, Florida Trailblazer here, and I am hiking this trail here on Hontoon Island. It's Hontoon Island State Park. It's in central Florida in Volusia County. And this island's on the St. Johns River actually. It encompasses just about 1,600 acres or so. And there's a short nature trail you can walk through here. And that's what I'm on. It actually leads you out to an ancient shell mound from the natives that once lived here thousands of years ago. And when you walk through these trails, it's pretty beautiful. You're immersed in this floodplain forest. On this beautiful sunny day, it's perfect to be out.